Afternoon, everyone. Sunday, probably about 2:30 now. So I came out here this morning. I decided last night that I wanted to cut that roof off the tractor. It just seems like when I drive through the woods, all it does is catch on all the branches. I'd have to go through, and just anywhere it seems like I take it, it's just a little bit too high. So I never finished the roof. I figured I cut it off. Had a hell of a time. Wow. And I thought I'd leave these two poles so that I could maybe mount a little box on top of it or something for keeping chains in. I don't know yet. And plus it was going to be hard to get down there with a grinder or a saw to cut. So, yep. Anyways, went and looked at a job. Well, it was Saturday morning. Bunch of popple trees. They're free. It's just kind of a logging job because it's nothing in arm's way really of the house. A couple of them they're probably 40, 50 foot away, and if I was cutting them, I don't think they would go at the house, but we'll still probably hang some ropes in them, either use the throw bag or I'll spur up there, so not a big deal. And then there's some laying on the ground already. I'm going to try to get over and get them moved out in the driveway. Those ones there, I was going to get out in the driveway and then maybe knock down the rest and then just haul my tractor on the trailer over there and use the tractor to pick up all the logs because it'll be probably 2-3 loads. So maybe even more than that. That's just with the front trees, and then there was quite a few trees in the back too that I could have. Guys, just trying to thin his woods out really thick, but the only issue is the ground is super soft. So, and then we just got this snow, so it's gonna make it really sloppy over there, but I'll make it happen. All right, I changed the angle on my blade a little bit. I'd noticed they were getting kind of steep, so I'm hoping that's going to help a little bit. I noticed the chips that have been thrown off have been more like smaller, just like when a chainsaw isn't sharpened right. So, all right, let me fire the mill up. We'll try it. Alright, well, turned out some nice boards. That was a knotty, hard log right there. I think that one cut harder than any of them yet. But anyways, you know, when they're harder like that, you just got to slow down or else you're going to cut a shit board. I noticed I got going fast through them knots. I had one peel off that didn't look so hot. I can see it right there on the bottom, and I seen it when it came off and knew it. But yeah, if you get overfeeding, you're going to get some mixed up lumber. But yeah, that tree, both of those, I know what it is. It's just because they get so much sun every day. Those bases have just been getting baked for years, and I can definitely tell, because even those other red pines I did, they were kind of in a shaded area, and they had a lot of sap in them. Like this here, I noticed not much sap flying on me. Oh, even when I was cutting them the other day when it was 60 degrees, I mean, it was getting a little bit. And yeah, they're not even pouring like those other ones would. So, no big deal. Well, I'm going to keep plucking away at these. I guess I ain't going to video no more of it. I'll just get these two done and probably call it a day. Sunday, I don't think everybody wants to hear the mill running. I was going to start taking some of these boards up top. I got them stacks everywhere, and they're stacked everywhere up top. But the 2-track's got too much snow on it right now. So I'm just going to have to wait. All right, everyone. Have a great rest of your Sunday. Till next time.